Welcome to this third meditation of the year. Today, we will explore our inner light and strengthen our connection with it. If you have followed the previous meditations, congratulations on your dedication. You are already building a space of serenity in your daily life. If this is your first meditation, welcome. This moment is an invitation to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with yourself. Take a moment to settle comfortably. Find a position where you feel at ease, whether sitting or lying down. Let your shoulders relax and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your lungs fill with fresh, pure air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of all the tension you have been holding onto. Once more, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release all unnecessary thoughts or worries. Turn your attention to your breathing. Each inhalation is a source of calm, and each exhalation allows you to let go of what no longer serves you. Visualize a soft, warm light within you. It begins in your chest, like a small flame. With each breath in, this light grows, slowly expanding throughout your body. This light warms you, soothes you, and gives you a sense of inner strength. Take a moment to feel this light wrapping around your thoughts, your emotions, and even your breath. It is an infinite source of clarity and serenity. Gently repeat in your mind, "I am at peace with myself. I am filled with strength and light. I choose to embrace this day with confidence and gratitude." Now imagine this light extending beyond your body, softly illuminating the space around you. It creates a protective circle, offering you a sense of safety and peace. Feel this light accompanying you throughout your day. Take a moment to set an intention for today. It could be to approach every moment with kindness, to cultivate patience, or simply to enjoy the small joys of life. When you are ready, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Begin to gently move your fingers and toes. Stretch softly if you feel the need. Slowly open your eyes, keeping this sense of calm and clarity within you. Embrace this day with serenity, knowing that your inner light will guide you in every moment.